taco bowls are on the menu for tonight, so let's go ahead and get started. Get you some 93.7 lean ground turkey or ground beef, whichever you prefer. Veggie of choice for the night is string beans. If you've been following my page for a while, then you know. Right here, this is what my kids are gonna have. They're gonna have chicken, barbecue chicken meatballs with string beans and the sweet potato bites. Also, do y'all make y'all kids eat whatever you cook, or if you make something that you enjoy but you know they're not gonna eat, do you make them something else on the side? Me, I'm not forcing my kids to eat something that I know they're not going to eat. So I always make them something on the side, but 9 times out of 10, they eat everything that I cook. Then, as always, instead of using sour cream, we're going to use Greek yogurt.